Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook gratin dauphinois. So you will need only potatoes, cream, garlic, pepper and salt. Lots of pepper. Well, take your time. The idea is to have thin, not thin, thin slices, and approximately, something like that, 2 millimeters. Okay, so I have my potatoes peeled and sliced. What I'm going to do now is take some garlic, and just put this bottom flanks everywhere. This meal needs cream, pepper, a whole lot of cream. The idea is to have the potatoes confit in cream, so soaking up those potatoes with good cream. Don't be cheap on cream. Just take potatoes, perfect size, thin slice. Good. Another one maybe. Then cream. To cook it, so I preheat the oven at 190 degrees, and we put it in the oven and set the temperature at 150 degrees at least for 1 hour. After 1 hour I will just stick a knife, and it just has to cut everything very easily. The potatoes, once again, there will be confit. You better come home in my kitchen. Lord, it's got to be rain my boat. Well, I will say 10 minutes more. All right. This is a Rolls Royce. You can have one. It's good. Okay. 3 minutes left. Let's see how the gratin dauphinois looks like.